Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can convert an HEIC file into a JPEG. First of all, this is an HEIC file that I have, and now let's transform it into a JPEG. Open your browser and open Google just like so. Here, search for HEIC to JPEG next to each other, as you can see it right here. And as you can see, click on the third link, which is this one. From there, all you need to do is to drag an image or simply click on this plus button and select your image. So here, I'm going to do this. Choose this one. And yeah, let's see again. So this is the one. The process has been too fast, so let's do it again. Here we go. And once you add it, as you can see, it's automatically changes into a JPG file. So it is right here. So the same thing goes here. Once you have done this, simply click on download and select where you want to download it. So here I'm going to put it here. And as you can see, it has been downloaded. Here it is. So this is how you can convert your HEIC file into a JPEG file. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.